Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking this tutorial. Today's tutorial is on how I achieved this beautiful passion twist in 90 minutes. So if you want to see how I achieved this look in 90 minutes, stay tuned for this video. Don't go nowhere. Hi again. So this hair was sent to me by the Toyo Tress collection brand, and the brand name is Tiana Passion Twist. So this hair comes in a pack and it has a small rubber band and tiny jewelries, and also comes with the crochet hook. So when you order a box of the hair, it comes with 7 packs of hair. So I'm gonna do a quick cornrow straight back before adding the hair, before installing the crochet hair. So if you're looking to cut your time in half, if you're somebody who doesn't like sitting for so long getting your hair braided, I would recommend this crochet passion twist style. And it actually took me about, like I said earlier on, it took me about an hour and a half to do, and that was very impressive, because if I was to do the regular passion twist on my hair, I'm sure it's going to take longer. It's going to take me about, depending on the size, it's going to take about 5 to 6 hours or even more, even though I'm a hairstylist, and so it might take you more depending on the size you're getting done. So this was a good idea by the Toyo Tress collection hair. So when you're done with the cornrow, you're just going to take the ends of your cornrow and just tuck it in under your cornrows using the crochet hook. So this is what we have so far. Please don't mind the parting. I didn't use a back mirror, so I was just parting with my imaginations. So each pack of hair comes with about 11 strands. So 11 times 7, you get 77 strands of hair. So I would strongly advise, if you're someone who likes your hair full, I would say to order 2 packs of the hair. You might not use it all, you might use about 1.5 pack, but I would suggest you get about 2 packs if you're someone who likes full hair. But if you're someone who doesn't like your hair too full or anything like that, 1 pack of hair should be enough. So 1 box comes with 7 packs in it, so it's up to you if you like your hair full or not too full. And as you can see, I started from the back, and I did it in such a way that if I want to put it up in a ponytail, if I want to leave it down, I can do it however I want it. So the cornrow pattern I did is really very easy. You just do the straight back and join it together at the hands. That's pretty much it for the cornrows. So when you get to the top part, you want to make sure it's not too spacey, like you're doing it together, so it's not, just to make it look natural as possible. So I will also make sure to put in the link of where you can get the hair. The hair is sold on Amazon.com, so please check the description button down below for the link, and every other product I use for this tutorial will be linked down below, so please check it out. And when I get to the ends, I'm just going to join the two cornrows together at the top by using the strands of hair. So you're just going to pull it together and just tie it together. That way the part is not too spacey and it's more natural looking. So I'm just checking to make sure the quantity is full enough. So I think I like it this way because I don't want it too heavy, to avoid breakage and all that. And here is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial as much as I did. It's my first DIY tutorial. Also, let me know in the comment section if you guys would like me to do more DIY tutorials like this, and I will definitely do that. So I really do like this hair. It's so nice. So far it was packaged really well, and it has a lot of hair. There's, like I said, there are 7 packs. It's very soft and natural looking. You can hardly tell unless you're like looking into the roots of my hair. You can hardly tell it's crochet. It's handmade, which is something I really like about it. So it's very natural looking. So let me know what you think in the comment section. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye.